You are listening to Sdo Isabela Radio-based instruction.
Learning never stops in Math Eskwela, your school on air.
Your partner in achieving fun learning experiences. Let's listen, enjoy, and have fun in learning mathematics. Stay tuned.
Good morning, grade 7 students. This is your school on air in mathematics. We are glad to be with you in this medium of instruction. I am your teacher in radio, Teacher Shine Pagulayan. Students, make sure that you are in your most comfortable place today, for you have to focus in our discussion. Have you prepared well for our first day of radio class today? If that's so, let us start.
Gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon. Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang maiiwan. Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela.
Before we begin to our first lesson for this school year, we shall have first a simple activity to test the extent of your knowledge with regards to lesson. For this activity, all you have to do is to choose the best answer among the choices given in each question. Write the letter of your answer on your quiz notebook. I will give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Always remember, honesty is a virtue. So let's begin.
Tayo na sa Radyo Eskwela. Tayo na!
Number 1. Which of the following is a well-defined set? A. A set of beautiful sceneries. B. A set of good basketball players. C. A set of Philippine presidents. Or letter D. A set of successful leaders. I repeat, which of the following is a well-defined set? Is it A. A set of beautiful sceneries. B. A set of good basketball players. C. A set of Philippine presidents. Or letter D. A set of successful leaders. Number 2. Given the set of letters in the word mathematics, how many letters are there if no repetition of letters is allowed? Is it A. 11, B. 8, C. 6, or letter D. 4? I repeat, given the set of letters in the word mathematics, how many letters are there if no repetition of letters is allowed? A. 11, B. 8, C. C. 6, or letter D. 4. Number 3. In the word Australia, how many elements are there? Is it A. 9, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8? I repeat, in the word Australia, how many elements are there? A. 9, B. 6, C. 7, or letter D. 8? Item number 4. The odd element in the set 8, 1, 64, 75, 27 is letter A, 27, B, 1, C, 75, or letter D, all of the above. Again, the odd element in the set 8, 1, 64, 75, and 27 is letter A, 27, B, 1, C, 75, or letter D, all of the above. Item number 5. In the Philippine alphabet, what are the elements of the set of words? A, B, C, D, E. B, X, Y, Z, A, B. C, A, E, I, O, U. Or letter D, A, E, I, or U. I repeat, in the Philippine alphabet, what are the elements of the set vowels? Is it A, B, C, D, E? Letter B, X, Y, Z, A, B. Letter C, A, E, I, O, U. Or letter D, A, E, I, U. Let's check your answers. Be honest in checking your paper. Here are the answers. For number 1, the answer is letter C. For number 2, the answer is letter B. For number 3, the answer is letter C. Maybe some of you didn't get it right. For number 4, the answer is letter D. For our last item, the answer is what? Letter C.
Tayo na sa Radyo Eskwela. Tayo na!
Good job, students! Maybe some of you are not familiar yet with those terms and some are familiar due to the fact that they did advanced reading for the school year. In connection to our recently conducted activity, we are going to unlock the concept of grouping objects with common characteristics. This will allow us to widen our understanding with regards to the concept of grouping objects or classifying them based on a certain condition. These groups are otherwise called sets. Let's say group of glasses or group of crayons or set of books or set of mountains, etc. Set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. The objects contained in the set are called elements. More examples are group of birds, group of animals, group of babies. In naming a set, we use a capital letters like A, B, C, D, up to Z. And we use braces to group these elements of sets separated by a comma. These elements are written in lower cases. Always remember that we write the elements of a set once only and the order does not matter. We have some notations and symbols pertaining to sets. One way in writing a set is the roster method or listing method. This method allows us to list down the elements of a set enclosed by braces and separated by commas. If we have the set of grades in junior high school, using the roster method, we can write it as set M is equal to grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. Another example is, let D be the set of all odd positive integers less than 10. If we write the given set, we have set D is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. That's how we use the listing or roster method in writing sets. Another way of writing the element of a set is with the use of a descriptor. It is called as the rule method. We use a description to describe the elements of a given set. For example, set M contains the element X such that X is a grade in junior high school. In symbol, we have M is equal to X such that X is a grade in junior high school. Another example is, set D contains the element X such that X is an odd number less than 10. In symbol, we have D is equal to X such that X is an odd number less than 10. Here are some examples of sets based on a definition. We have the set of primary colors. Can you give me its elements? That's great! The elements are red, yellow, or blue. It seems you are following very well our lesson today. Here is another example. Will you write down the elements of the set of multiples of 5? Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Since there are infinite multiples of 5, therefore, we use 3 consecutive dots. Those dots represent many more elements. We have called these dots ellipses. Those are the examples of well-defined sets. On the other hand, here are some examples of not well-defined sets. The first one is the set of famous dancers. The second one, the set of punctual students in your class. And the third one, the set of honest people. They are not defined due to the fact that people have different point of views with regards to these sets. If you understood well our lesson about the introduction of sets, then you deserve a round of applause.
Halina't matuto, gamit ang ating radyo. Pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon. Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang maiiwan. Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela.
Let's have a recap with that we have discussed for this session. Set is a well-defined group of elements with common characteristics. Set is represented by a capital letter and its elements are written in lower case. These elements are separated by comma and enclosed by braces. In writing a given set, we use the listing method or roster method, a method used by listing all the elements of a given set separated by commas and enclosed by braces. Another way of writing a set is through the use of a descriptor or commonly known as the rule method. We use the description or a rule to state the elements of a given set. In a given set, if it contains a large number of elements, we may use the concept of what? Ellipses. Ellipsis is represented by 3 consecutive dots, implying that there are more elements in a given set. There are sets that are not well defined due to the fact that people's perception, these sets may vary from one to another. We are about to play an infomercial coming from this station. To test your understanding about our lesson, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Shake your body and relax because we shall have a quiz. Are you excited, students? Let's make mathematics fun today. Here we go.
Taho! Taho kayo dyan!
Di makatulog sa gabi sa kaiisip, damdamin ko'y mayroong lungkot hanggang sa panaginip.
Oh, Berto, di ka ba nakatulog kagabi?
Hindi nga ho, Kuya Pekto. Dala ho siguro ng lungkot ng pag-iisa dito sa bahay. Di ho kasi makalabas dahil sa COVID-19. Hay.
Berto, may 3 bagay na dapat kang tandaan para maiwasan ng lungkot sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. Una, alamin ang dahilan ng iyong kalungkutan. Pangalawa, maaaring ipabatid ang iyong nararanasan sa mga taong malalapit sa iyo. Nariyan ang internet para makausap mo sila. At ang pangatlo, ilaan mo ang iyong oras sa mga bagay na ikaw ay magiging abala. Hindi lang pisikal na kalusugan ang mahalaga, Berto, pati pang kaisipan rin.
Tatandaan ko ho yan, Kuya Pekto. Maraming salamat sa payo.
Isang paalala mula sa kagawaran ng edukasyon at ng himpilang ito.
For part 1, here is the direction. State whether each of the following sets is well-defined or not. I repeat, state whether each of the following sets is well-defined or not. For the first item, the set of young politicians. I repeat, the set of young politicians. For the second item, the set of types of matter. Again, the set of types of matter. Third item, the set of versatile actress. Again, the set of versatile actress. Fourth item, the set of all oceans of the earth. Fourth item, the set of all oceans of the earth. For the fifth item, the set of months containing 31 days. I repeat, the set of months containing 31 days. Sixth item, the set of tasty food. I repeat, the set of tasty food. For item number 7, the set of planets in our solar system. Again, the set of planets in our solar system. Item number 8, the set of durable bags. Again, the set of durable bags. Item number 9, the set of consonants in the English alphabet. I repeat, the set of consonants in the English alphabet. For the last item, the set of even counting numbers. I repeat, the set of even counting numbers.
Halina't matuto, gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon, sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang maiiwan. Kaya halina
We may now proceed to the part 2. Here is the direction. Choose the term being described by each item among the choices provided before you. I repeat, choose the term being described by each item among the choices provided before you. Let's begin. First item. What do you call the objects contained in a set? A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. Letter D. Braces. Or letter E. Elements. Again, what do you call the objects contained in a set? A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or letter E. Elements. Second item. It is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or E. Elements. Again, a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or E. Elements. Item number 3. It is represented by 3 dots, which is used to indicate that a set has many infinite elements. Is it A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or letter E. Elements. I repeat, it is represented by 3 dots, which is used to indicate that a set has many or infinite elements. Is it A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. Letter D. Braces. Or letter E. Elements. Fourth item. A symbol used to group the element of a set. A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or E. Elements. I repeat, a symbol used to group the element of a set. A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. Or letter D. Braces. Or letter E. Elements. For item number 5, a symbol used to represent a set. A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or E. Elements. Again, a symbol used to represent a set. Is it A. Capital letters. B. Set. C. Ellipses. D. Braces. Or E. Elements. Bravo, grade 7 students! You finished well the 2 activities.
Gusto ko nang mag-aral, gusto ko nang bumalik sa paaralan. Ngunit paano ang gagawin kung may virus pa rin? Manatili sa inyong tahanan, wag na wag pairalin ang sariling karunungan. Magtiwala sa batas ng inyong bansa at nang ikaw ay hindi nawawala, ha? Gusto ko nang lumabas, pero ay bawal pala ikaw lumabas. Bawal lumabas, bawal lumabas, bawal lumabas, labas, bawal lumabas. Manatili sa iyong tahanan para ikaw ay ligtas. Ang kagawaran ng edukasyon ay naghahanda na para sa ligtas na pagbubukas ng klase. Mga mag-aaral, kahit nasa tahanan lamang, ang edukasyon ay maihahatid ng may kaligtasan. Isang paalala mula sa kagawaran ng edukasyon at sa himpilang ito.
Mga tropa, dito sa ilog na lamang natin itapon ang mga basurang ito. Total maaano din naman. Oops, saan nyo yan itatapon mga bata? Itatapon namin sa ilog, tita. Nako, mali ang kaisipang iyan. Ito ay magdudulot ng pagkamatay ng mga isda. Gawin na lamang natin ang reduce, reuse at recycle o 3Rs. Ang basura ay ginagawang kapaki-pakinabang at ito ay mabisang paraan para mabawasan ang basura sa kapaligiran. Kaya tara na, mag 3Rs na. Salamat tita! Ngayon alam na namin ang gagawin sa mga basura para makatulong pa sa kalikasan.
Isang paalala mula sa kagawaran ng edukasyon at ng himpilang ito.
At this point, we would like to give credits to those individuals behind this session. To the scriptwriter, Teacher Jade Q. Nasino of Palawan Integrated School, San Guillermo District, and most especially to Sdo Isabela and its production team for making this production possible and meaningful. Kudos to all of you! That ends our radio session for today. I hope you've learned something in our session today. Always remember, study well for you to have a bright future. Goodbye!
Mare, baka pwedeng makahiram muna ng pera mo. Pambili ko ng cellphone ni Junior. Malapit na ang pagbubukas ng klase, ngunit wala pa rin siyang gagamitin. Ay, paano na kaya ito?
Naku Mare, hindi mo na kailangang bumili ng cellphone dahil may iba't ibang learning modalities ang DepEd, gaya ng reader-based instruction, TV-based instruction at modular learning. Hindi lang online learning.
Ay, ganun ba Mare? Sige Mare, mauna na ako. Ibabalita ko pa yan kay Junior. Salamat!
Ang paalalang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng DepEd at ng himpilang ito.
Gustong pagkain ang ating ihain, ang junk food ay iwasan, ng isip ay magkalaman, kumain ng gulay, nang di ka man lupaypay, uminom rin ng gatas, at nang ikaw ay lumakas, la 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 la. Kumain ng sagana, at nang ikaw ay sumigla, kumain ng wasto para isip ay maging listo. Isang paalala mula sa himpilang ito.
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!